Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Jabra Solemate with your laptop. So first of all, this quick information that when you enter the pairing mode in this device, you will hear the music that I cannot turn off or decrease the volume. So you will hear that music for like 5 or 10 seconds until we connect with the laptop. First of all, you have to move the slider to turn on your speaker. Next, click and hold until you will hear that music.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
Right now we have to go for the settings. Go for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn on Bluetooth with the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
And wait until the device pops on the list.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
Okay, it appears right here, so just select.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone. Solemate is connected.
And yeah, there it is. Right now we are connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.